I'm Dexter, I'm from Peoria, Illinois, and I own Slate Barbershop. Favorite thing about cutting hair is talking to people, and I love making them feel better, giving them a reason to smile every day. Being that I'm a small business owner, I'm always looking for great deals. And with the SHEIN app, they have a wide variety, anything from clothes to shoes to the tools I use in my daily practice. On the app, I got the capes, combs, and then my aftershave atomizer. They're great quality, so it's kind of a one-stop shop for a lot of my items, and it's very affordable. Being here in the Midwest, I don't look like the typical barber. Not really having a shopping mall to go to, I go online to check out SHEIN. What drew me in was just the different variations and styles that I could get all off one app compared to shopping at 10 different places. I hope for the future I can continue putting smiles on people's faces, doing good for myself, my business keep expanding, and just see where it leads me to.